flying out of Oakland International Airport, which is only about 45 minutes from our place. It's a smaller airport, only has 2 terminals with about 36 gates total, so it's small, but a really good airport. We like coming here. It's considerably cheaper than like San Francisco or Sacramento or any of the airports around like that. Real easy to fly out of. It's pretty busy this morning for early in the morning. This is the busiest I've seen it here in a while. But we're flying out of gate number 4 to Seattle. Got about a 2.5 hour flight to get to Seattle, and then we'll be there. So, looking good. It. We have arrived at Port 66, so it looks like they're letting people in. And it is a unusually sunny day in Seattle. That's weird. But yeah, clear skies. And it's still a little bit cool, but it's going to warm up. It's only 9:30 in the morning here, so it's early yet. So we're going to look around a little bit before we get on the cruise ship, and then we'll do our little walk on board. Spotted our first wildlife right here in the harbor, some crabs. You want the passports?
Yep.
We get 50 free pictures, remember?
We get 50 free pictures.
Yep.
Cool.
We're all checked in.
Have a great time.
You know, and thank you. Gonna go get on our ship and get some food because I'm hungry.
Morning, morning.
Morning.
You guys have a good trip.
Thank you. The casino, which is a little weird. Yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
Assembly Station C?
Yes.
Yes, please scan your ticket, please. This is your emergency station. When you heard about the emergency alarm, you have to come here.
Oh, you already got me.
I got it.
Yep.
How about you?
Yep.
I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Well, they are not open yet for food.
No, not yet. When does the local open? 11:30? Do we want to wait for that?
Well, maybe they are seeing people.
Oh yeah.
All right, you want to go here?
Yeah.
What you gonna get, kiddos?
Fish and chips.
Are you?
Sounds good. The grilled sausage sliders sound good. Any choices? You want to get the spinach artichoke dip?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
And I'm getting pub hot dog.
That's exactly what you wanted. Oh, with the whiskey. What you getting, Tony?
Yeah, so are you ready?
I think so. Are we ready?
You want any beverages?
What was that?
Beverages.
Do you have lemonade?
Lemonade, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Here, do you want lemonade? Or
yeah.
a Coke or something?
Yeah, probably.
Actually, I'll do a Coke.
Cool. So how many?
I want
One
a Coke.
thing, right?
You want a Coke or anything?
Yeah, I'll get a Coke.
Can I have lemonade, please?
Lemonade.
Do you want?
I'm just gonna have water. Thank you.
So 3 Coke.
2 Coke and 1 lemonade.
You have your card. Any food allergies? No. Okay, let's start for you.
We'll do the spinach artichoke dip. And then I'm going to do the cheeseburger.
Can I please have the chicken salad sandwich?
That was my second choice. Yeah, looks good. We'll have to come back.
I'm sure we will.
Can I get the fish and chips, please?
Yeah. I'm gonna get the pretzel bites. And then I'll get a pub hot dog. What wings, Kira?
Are you gonna get them? I would share them with you if you want.
And we'll get an order of the wings. You want them with the buffalo or sweet chili?
Either.
With buffalo.
That's it? I'll
Thank
take it.
you very much.
I don't remember we're on a cruise ship, so you can get like everything.
I'm like so. There's too much going on right now. That was so fast. We literally just walked on and walked in here.
Well, that was kind of abrupt the way we got on. We were waiting in the port, and the lady announced that it was going to be boarding for people in wheelchairs and ADA accessible. And then all of a sudden, this guy came running through and was telling everybody to get on board. And so we got up and came on, and we got right on board, went to our muster station and checked in, and we were done, and came right to the local and sat down, and we ordered our food. And like I said, it's it was 11:09 or something when we were walking in, and it's 11:22 and we're sitting down to eat. So that was pretty quick boarding process. So this place filled up really quick.
Glad we got here when we got here. Because I'm hungry. I'm ready for a burger.
Give me bacon and hamburgers and hot dogs and chili. There was chili too. I almost was going to get that. I'm hungry.
I'm surprised you didn't get a beer.
Yeah, I wasn't ready yet for a beer. It looks hot. That is a big sandwich. I haven't even tried a wing yet. I'm going to try a wing.
What sauce did you get?
Buffalo.
I don't know what to try. I'm like so.
That's good. It's not too hot. It's not like burn your face off. Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was me. I was like, how did I thought it was you?
That's good. That's a good hot dog. A lot of bun. But the hot dog is good. Yeah, the food here is like the same food they have in the diner.
Cadillac, yep. Yeah,
They didn't have this though. The appetizers are the same. I don't feel like it's gonna be like that. Like the restaurants have similar stuff, but also different.
they got the food out pretty fast.
I know.
How was your burger?
Good.
Good. They make the fries the shoestrings style.
Yep. Now it's time for nap.
I might agree with you.
I think we should go find a lounge chair up on the Lido.
I'm telling Allie how they have 6 on here. That's I think that's like what I'm most excited for. I feel like it's gonna be so cool.
Jersey Boys is supposed to be really good too. Have you heard of it?
How was your lunch?
Very good.
Good. Good fish and chips?
Yep. Now it's nap time.
I agree.
Yeah, that was a good meal. I would recommend coming here when you're bored if you want to be able to sit and relax. And they have pretty good food. The dog was really good. But it gets busy fast, so you got to get here early. I'm still eating. The social. Thank you. Oh, this is the blue light up stairway.
Oh, I think I saw when you guys were watching that video.
Yeah. We're going into the social to make some reservations, possibly. We'll see what they have available. Yeah, I'm warm. Walking around in that sun was warm. So we're gonna relax a little bit. Pulled up a couple of loungers in the shade. We ordered a couple of drinks and we'll relax a little while. Yeah, maybe take a nap. That was a long day. We were up early. So we'll just chill out. The kids are down in the library. We're gonna have a drink and a nap. I got myself he called it a sex on the ship. It's cranberry juice, peach schnapps, vodka, and the orange juice in it? Thought maybe it had simple syrup. Oh, the other one had simple syrup. And you got Stella, a beer. So we're going to enjoy our drinks, relax a little, maybe take a nap, or maybe we'll wait until we get our room. I think everybody wants a nap. I know that Jackson's going to take a nap. Cheers.
give us a like. Let us know in the comments what you thought of it, and be sure to subscribe if you aren't a subscriber already to help us grow the channel. Thanks to all of our subscribers, and thanks to you for watching.